ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयम् नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम् सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्ततामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनम् देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरननदी कैवर्तककेशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरम् हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम् लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद्भारतपङ्कजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे। మూకం కరోతి వాచాలం పంగుం లంఘయతే గిరిం యత్కృపాతమహం వందే పరమానందమాధవం. యం బ్రహ్మా వరుణేంద్రరుద్రమరుతః స్తున్వంతి దివ్యైస్తవైః వేదైः సాంగపదక్రమోపనిషదైః గాయంతి యం సామగాః ధ్యానావస్థితతద్గతేన మనసా పశ్యంతి యం యోగినః యస్యాంతం న విదుఃసురాసురగణాః దేవాయ తస్మై నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయముదీరయేత్. ఓం శ్రీ పరమాత్మనే నమః.
ఓం శ్రీ
పరమాత్మనే నమః.
అథ చతుర్థోऽధ్యాయః.
అథ చతుర్థోऽధ్యాయః.
శ్రీ భగవానువాచ.
శ్రీభగవానువాచ.
శ్లోక నంబర్ 41. యోగసన్యస్తకర్మాణం జ్ఞానసంఛిన్న సంశయం
యోగసన్యస్తకర్మాణం జ్ఞానసంఛిన్న సంశయం
ఆత్మవంతం న కర్మాణి నిబధ్నంతి ధనంజయ.
ఆత్మవంతం న కర్మాణి నిబధ్నంతి ధనంజయ.
We have seen this shloka. Shlokartha along with Bhashyam. Karmani na nibadhanti. Karmani na nibadhanti. Kam yoga sanyasta karmanam jnana sanchinna samshayam atmavantam karmani na nibadhanti. The one who has given up karma through yoga. Yoga meaning jnana yogena. Jnana yogena sanyastani karmani yena, by him, tam, that person. That is jnana karma. The one who has given up karma through jnanam. Jnana karma sannyasa. One who has given up karma through jnanam, tam, jnana sanchinna samshayam. One who has completely removed, destroyed, samyak chinnam, cut, destroyed all the doubts. So he has got samyak darshanam, clarity, clear vision, and atmavantam meaning atmavan. The person is atmavan, atmavantam. Ityukte, the person who has the alert mind, referring to nididhyasanam, referring to nishtha. Through nishtha, the person is referred to. We have seen that each word compound here referring to the person through shravanam, mananam, and nididhyasanam. Yoga sanyasta karmanam referring to the person who has done shravanam. Therefore, he has knowledge. Through knowledge, he has given up karma. Not physically, jnanena. Natu kevala karma sannyasa, kintu jnana karma sannyasa. Jnana Sanchina Samshayam referring to Mananam, the person who has done Mananam. The person is referred to through Jnana, through Mananam. And Atmavantam referring to the person who has done Ididhyasanam, and that is the person has gained Nishta in Jnanam. Atmavantam. Therefore, the person has clear knowledge. He is a Paramartha Darshi. Tam karmani na nibadnanti. Karma do not bind that person. And Bhashyakara at the end of the Bhashyam to this month, to the shloka, he said, Guna cheshta rupena drishtani karmani na nibadnanti. Karma is the action, karma. Karma is in the form of guna cheshta rupena drishtani karmani. Karmani is qualified by the word drishtani. Drishtani, drishta, that which are seen, meaning understood. That karma is understood to be guna cheshta. The karma is understood to be the form of cheshta, meaning movement, that is action, activities of the guna. Gunaha guneshu vartante iti matva na sajjate. That is referred to by the Vashyakara by the word guna cheshta rupena drishtani karmani. So karmani qualified by the drishtani, and it has the hetu garbha visheshanam. So therefore it is gunaha guneshu vartante iti matva na sajjate. Pashyan shrinvan sprashan jagran ashtan gachan sapan shvasan. Pralapan visrajan grandan unmishan nimishan napi. Indriyani indriyarteshu vartante iti dharayan. Naiva kinchit karomi iti yukta manyeta tattvit. That Bhagavan will say in the next chapter, 5th chapter. So that is paraphrased by this word. Ma cheshta rupena drishtani karmani na nibadranti. Do not bind this person. Therefore, is free from karma. Anishtadi rupam palam na arabhante. Anishtadi, ishta, anishta. Anishtadi, adi padat. We can bring ishta also. The palam na arabhante. Ishta, anishtadi. Or ishta, anishta, mishra, etc. All types of the karma producing different results in the form of ishta, anishta, or a combination of both. So these na arabante, do not start for this person, because the person is free from kartritvam. Therefore karma do not bind this person. Na arabante referring to the karma which has not started yet. It means referring to sanchita karma, as well as the karma which will be done while living after jnanam. Those karmas will not produce any phalam and will bind the person. Whereas the sanchita and the karma which he has done before jnanam, all those karmas are nullified, because karta is nullified, kartritvam is nullified. Therefore, those karmas are nullified. And what is left out is prarabdha. Prarabdha will continue. Because of prarabdha, after jnanam, he continues to live. So therefore, that is the shlokartha which we have seen. Now we have to see Gita Priya Bodhini. There the Acharya beautifully explains this shloka. Tarhi evam anartha hetoho samshayasya nishesha nivrittihi katam siddhyati iti ashankayam shruti yukti samutpanna brahmatmaikatva vijnanena eva tasya विच्छित्तिः न अन्यथा इति सूचयितुं परावरेकत्व विज्ञान विच्छिन्न सर्वसंशयत्वात् एव ब्रह्मवित् कर्मभिः न निबध्यते इति प्रतिपादयति कः भगवान् कृष्णः आचार्यः कृष्णः प्रतिपादयति he reveals. What does he reveal? Brahmavit brahmajnani brahma veti iti brahmavit brahma janati iti brahmavit karma bihina nibadyate, not bound by karma, is not bound by karma iti pratipadayati, Bhagavan reveals. Tarhi evam anartha hetoho samshayasya, samshaya doubt is anartha hetu, samshaya is anartha hetu, produce contrary results, undesirable result, anartha hetu. Therefore, Nishesha Nivrittihi, Samshayasya Nishesha Nivrittihi. Nishesha, no baki, no leftover completely. Nivrittihi, removal. How to remove, how is it possible, or how to remove the Samshaya completely? Katam Siddhyati, how it is accomplished, the removal of the Samshaya, the doubts completely. Iti Ashankayam, with the Akanksha, with the expectancy. Shruti Yukti Samutpanna Brahmatmaikatva Vijnanena eva, only by Shruti, by Yukti, by reasoning, Shruti Shastram, Yukti reasoning, Shastra Sammata Yukti, that is Yukti Tarka. By that Samyak Utpannam, that which is well born, produced, what? The Jnanam, that is Brahmatmaikatva Jnanam. Aham Atma Brahma iti Ekatva Jnanam, the oneness, the knowledge of oneness of Brahma and Atma. Iti Ekatva Vijnanena eva, eva karat, only by that. Tasya Vichittihi, Tasya Samshayasya Vichittihi, doubts are cut, doubts are destroyed. Na anyatha, not by any other way, not any other means. Suchayitum, to indicate Paravaraikatva Vijnana Vichchinna Sarva Samshayatvat. Paravaraikatva Vijnanam, Vijnanena Vichchinna Sarva Samshayatvat. Samshaya, the doubt which is cut by Jnanam, and the Jnanam in the form of Jnanam is Paravaraikatva Jnanam, Vijnanam. Para Avara. Para is the cause, Avara is the effect. Brahma is the Jagat Karanam, Jagat is Karya. So Para referring to Nirguna Brahma and Avara referring to Saguna Brahma, that is the effect. So Paravaraika Brahma, it's like Paravare, Tasmin Drishte Paravare. In the Mundakopanishad we saw, Vidyate Hridaya Grantihi Chidyante Sarva Samshayaha Kshiyante Chasya Karmani Tasmin Drishte Paravare. Paravare referring to Brahma. Para Avara, Para superior, Avara inferior. That is Brahma as the Karanam is, it is Parabrahma. As the Karya, it is Avaram Brahma. So Paravarikatvam, in the form of Paravarikatvam, the status of being the Para and Avara, that Brahma. Vijnanena eva, this Samshaya is, Vichchinnaha is destroyed. Tasmadeva, therefore, Brahmavit Karma Bhina Nibadyate, therefore, Brahmavit is not bound by karma. Iti Pratipadayati Bhagavan in this shloka. Yoga Sanyasta Karmanam Jnana Sanchina Samshayam Atmavantam Na Karmani Nibadhananti Dhananjaya. Iti Jnana Sanchina Samshayam Jnanam Paravarayogo Akhandaika Rasatva Sandarshana Lakshanam, that is Jnanam. Tena Jnanena Jnanam Jnana Sanchina Samshayam. That word the Acharya explains. Paravarayoho Akhanda Ekarasatva Sandarshana Lakshanam. Jnanam, which is in the form of Samyak darshanam, that is clear vision. Clear vision of Akhanda Ekarasa. Complete, and it is Ekam of what? Paravara Yogo. That is Paravara Tayogo, Paravara Yogo, Brahma. Parabrahma, Avaram Brahma. Sagunam Brahma, Nirgunam Brahma, Sagunam Brahma. Karanam Brahma, Karyam Brahma. Tayogo. It means this Jagat is nothing but Brahma Eva. Karyatvat. Karanat Abhinnaha. So Paravarayoho. Why Paranavara? Parabrahma, Nirgunam Brahma is the cause. Then Jagat is with the Upadi. Upadi is Mithya. Therefore, it is Brahma Eva. So for Paravarayoho, because of Avaram Brahma, the Karya Brahma. The Karya Brahma is not different from Karanam Brahma. That is therefore Ekam Brahma Eva. To point out that Paravara, the words are used to refer to Ekam Brahma, Akanda Brahma, Akanda Eka iti. Therefore, Para Brahma, Avaram Brahma means not two Brahma, only one. The Brahma alone in the form of this Jagat. Therefore, Jagat Karya Brahmanaha Nabinaha. Therefore, there is only Brahma. The Jagat is Mithya. Jagat being Mithya. So therefore, it is Brahma Eva. Therefore, that Jnanam, Sandarshanam, the one who has clear vision of that Jnanam, that is a Jnanam. Paravarayogo Akanda Ekarasatva Sandarshana Lakshanam Jnanam, Tena Jnanina, by that Jnanam, Nirantara Samadhi Nishpanna Apratibadda Bhavena, Nirantara, always Samadhi Nishpanna, Samadhi, that is Nishta, Nishpanna, accomplished, Apratibadda Bhavena, with no obstacle. Therefore, no obstacle means there is no Pratibandha, no Pratibandha. No Pratibandha, no doubts. Doubts are also Pratibandha. All the doubts with regarding to whether the Jagat is Mithya, the doubt, that is destroyed in the wake of Jnanam. Therefore, Sanchina, Nishesham, Sanchinaha, Nishesham, Nirmuritaha, completely along with the roots are destroyed. Samshayaha, Sanchinaha, Nishesham, Nirmuritaha, Samshayaha. Samshaya's doubts are exterminated along with the roots, completely destroyed. That's when Nirmulitaha. Doubts, what could be the doubts? Mokshaha karmanava jnanenava. Jnanam cha parokshamba aparokshamba. Mokshaha jnanena siddhyativa nava ityadeva sarve yasya tam jnana sanchina samshayam. Ataheva yoga sanyasta karmanam. Sarvamidam aham cha brahma eva iti. The doubt in the form of moksha is by karma or by jnanam. And jnanam, is it paroksha jnanam or aparoksha jnanam? Or moksha is by jnanam or by any other means? Iti, all forms of doubt. Sarve samshayaha. Yasya, for whom it's destroyed. Nirmulitaha. That person, tam. Jnana sanchina samshayam. That person is jnana sanchina samshayaha. Tam karmani na nibadhanti. Therefore, tam. Ataheva yoga sanyasta karmanam. Therefore, only Bhagavan says yoga sanyasta karmanam. Sarvam idam Brahma, aham cha Brahma eva. Everything is Brahma. When everything is Brahma, when the person says, it includes himself also. Iti sarvasya jagataha, the entire jagat, swasya cha, including himself also. Brahma matratva darshanam, that is yogaha. Sarvatra Brahma darshanam, that is yogaha. Tena yogena, sanyastani, vishleshitani. Vishleshitani means dissolved. Sanyastani, given up. Sanyastani, Vishleshitani, Samyak Nitaram, Astani, Brahmani, Brahmatmana Layam Gatani Itiva, Karmani, Sanchita Agami Nicha. Nitaram, Samyak Nitaram, Astani. Astani means thrown, given up. The karma, Brahmani is given up karma Samyak, well, he has given up the karma by jnanam unto Brahma. And Brahmatmanava layam gatani. Aham Brahma iti jnanena layam gata. They become one. Layam gatani iti va. Brahma, therefore, layam gatani karmani. Brahmatmana iti jnanena layam gatani va karmani. Karma which is sanchita agamini cha. Those karma, sanchita karma and agami karma. Doesn't mention prarabdha. Prarabdha will not be resolved. Brahmatmana jnanena layam gatani resolved. Karmani. What karma? Sanchitani agamini. Cha sarvani, all the karma. Yasyatam, for whom all the karmas are resolved or destroyed. That person yoga sannyasta karmanam iti. Then the next word atmavantam. Atmavantam is apramattam. Bhashakara also used the word apramattam. The one who is not negligent, means is alert. Apramattam. Referring to Nishta. Nishta and this jnanam. He is awake to this jnanam 24/7. Apramattam. Yadva or Atma eva, that is apramattam, that is Atmavantam, he explains. Yadva Atma eva bagihi antaha sarvatra vritti vishayatvena asya asti iti. Na anyat iti atmavan tam atmavantam brahmavidam karmani na nibadranti. Or bagihi atma antaha atma sarvatra atma eva sarvatra vritti vishayatvena sarvatra vritti vishayatvena vishaya of the vritti, the content of the vritti. Bodham bodham pratibodham pratibodha viditam matam. Bagihi antaha sarvatra vritti vishayatvena vishaya of the vritti, that is atma. So he sees atma everywhere. Bagihi antaha, inside, outside. Bhagya prapancha, external, that is atma. And antara prapancha, that is antakaran, the mind, the thoughts come, they are illuminated by atma chaitanyam, vritti. Sarvatra vritti vishayatvena. Even bhagya prapancha also captured in the antakaranam. The prapancha, external world is known only in the antakaranam, the knowledge of the external world. And antara prapancha, of course, that is in the form of the also vritti alone. So vritti vishayatvena jnanena eva asya asti. Vishayatvena asya asti. Atma asya asti. We saw atma asya asti iti atmavat atmavan. So his mind is alert to this, to the teaching. Sarvatra Brahma Darshanam. So na anyat, his mind is not towards anything else. That is, there is no satyatma buddhi for the anatma. That is the meaning. Na anyati iti atmavan. Tam atmavantam, that person, Brahmavidam. Atmavantam is equal to Brahmavidam, is a Brahmavita jnani. Tam karmani swapnavata abhasa rupani karmani. Karma is like swapnavata, like a dream. Abhasa rupani, resemblance. It's like a dream. Swapnavata. Sharira yatra matraika prayojanani deka cheshta rupani. That karma is only for the sharira yatra, jiva yatra, only for sharira yatra. That is prayojanani, useful only for the sharira yatra, for the journey of this life which has already started. Deka cheshta rupani, in the form of activities of the deha. Deha is nothing but a combination or produced out of the three gunas. So gunaha guneshu vartante deka cheshta rupani, guna cheshta rupani. Yoga agni nirdaktvat nirviryani. The karma by yoga, it is yoga agni, yoga eva agni. Yoga is jnanam. Jnanameva agnihi. By jnana agni, jnanadi dagda karmanam tamahu panditam buddha we saw before. Yataidhamsi samiddhognihi basmasat kurte Arjuna. Yataidhamsi samiddhognihi basmasat kurte Arjuna. Jnanani dagda karmanam tamahu panditam buddha. Sorry, second line is not, that second line is, Yataidhamsi jnanagi sarva karmani basmasat kurute tata. So that is jnanameva agnihi, jnana agnihi. That jnana agni nirdagdatvat. What this karmani, they become nirvidyani, it loses its strength. Therefore, do not bind the person. Bandhaya na kalpante. Doesn't become eligible for binding this person, binding this jnani. Shukti drishtya raja pratyaya vat Brahma drishtya vinashyanti ityartaha. How? Yes, Ashgara. Here the Acharya gives a drishtanta. Shukti drishtya, Shukti pearl. Rajata pratyavat. Shukti drishtya, Rajata pratyavat. Brahma drishtya vinashyanti. Raju drishtya sarpa pratyaya nashaha. By seeing the rope, the sarpa is destroyed. Similarly, so a silver is mistaken for a Shukti. Therefore, Shukti drishtya, Raja pratyavat, Brahma drishtya vinashyanti. By Brahma drishti, sarvatra Brahma drishti, therefore vinashyanti. Brahma drishtya vinashyanti, sarvani karmani. So vinashyanti means it's by jnanam it is vinashyanti. That is by drishti. Drishtya vinashyanti. Brahma drishtya sarvani karmani vinashyanti. Because the person who mistook himself to be the karta, that person will enjoy karma pala. When kartritvam is destroyed by jnanam, karta being not there, that is only a drishti, that is only a vision, that is jnanam. So therefore karmani vinashyanti. Brahma drishtya karmani vinashyanti. Brahma jnanena karmani vinashyanti. That is what the Acharya says. The correct knowledge, right knowledge, removes the notional bondage. And therefore karma do not bind. Kartrutvam is notional, not real. Atma is never karta. Even when we say Atma, akarta, Atma, only when it is karta, then only when the only when it has kartrutvam, only when Atma is Atma is karta, then only kartrutvam will be there for the Atma. Atma is neither karta nor akarta. So to say Atma is karta, that implies that Atma must be a karta. Now you are negating it. Atma is or it will never be a karta at all. That is, that Atma cannot be a karta at all. The kartrutvam is superimposed. It is notional. It is super adhyastha on the Atma. Like the sarpa is superimposed on the Rajju. So therefore, the removal is not a physical removal because it is notional. Because ajnanam is notional, therefore what we require is only knowledge. That is why drishti, that is why jnanam. If it is real, then you cannot remove it. If sarpa is real, the real sarpa cannot go away. Therefore, Atma being akarta, because kartrutva mithya drishti is there, therefore we say akarta. Poor Atma is being what it is. It is neither a karta nor bhakta, it is not anything. Kartrutvam we superimpose on Atma and then we say it is akarta. So that is the drishti. Kartrutvam imposed, superimposed on Atma is notional. That brings about the bandha, the bondage. Now that goes away in the wake of right knowledge. then Atma as though becomes Akarta. It is ever Akarta only. It is ever Akarta. It only when it has become Karta, then you can say Akarta. If it is Karta, if Atma is Karta, then Kartrutvam of Atma cannot be removed because it is Karta. Even when you make it Atma Akarta, the Kartrutvam will come back because that is the Swarupa of Atma, if it is so, but it is not. Therefore, that which is superimposed is removed by the right knowledge. Therefore, only Drishtya eva vinashyanti karmani. Karma cannot bind Atma at all. How it can bind? Karma binding Atma is notional. The wrong notion. The notion is removed by Jnanam, Drishti, Samyak Drishti, Samyak Darshanam. Therefore, vinashyanti. Therefore, destroyed. Therefore, there is no physical destruction. Notional bondage removed by right knowledge. Jnanam apekshate ajnana nashanaya. Therefore, jnanena vinashyanti karmani. Karma is product of ajnanam only, ajnana karyam. When the root is destroyed, the entire the subsequent the products are destroyed. Ajnana karyani vinashyanti, which includes karmani, which binds a person, vinashyanti. Therefore, etena brahmavidam itinam yogena eva sarva karma sanyasah kartavya karmanam abandhakatvaya iti suchitam bhavati. By this, etena brahmavidam itinam. The tradition, whenever brahmavit is there, always they say itinam sanyasinam iti. So brahmavit is a sannyasi. Need not be a physical sannyasi. Physically means need not have taken sannyasa physically. Jnanena sannyasi eva. Yadyapi grastah bhavati tatapi sannyasi eva. Jnana karma sannyasatvat. Therefore, brahmavidam yatinam, for the sannyasis, yogena eva, by jnana yogena eva, sarva karma sannyasah kartavyaha should be done. Not just kevala karma sannyasa, not just taking sannyasa, not only just adorning the vastra, akarob, or kamandalu, but jnanena eva sarva karma sannyasah kartavyaha. Why? Because karmanam avandakatvaya suchagitam bhavati. Karma has a status of non-binding. Therefore, karmanam abandhakatvaya. Karma cannot bind the person. Iti suchitam bhavati. That is suchitam bhavati. That is indicated, presented here. So, sarva karma sannyasah kartavyaha yogena jnana yogena. Why? Because karma cannot. Karmanam abandhakatvaya. Bandhakatvam. The status of being a binder. The status of being the binder. Karmanam abandhakatvaya. For a jnani. For a jnani, karma cannot bind. Na nibadhanti. Karma ina nibadhanti. That is said here. Karmanam abandhakatvaya bhavati itinam brahmavidam. Ataha yogena eva jnana yogena eva sarva karma sannyasah kartavyaha should be done. Iti suchitam bhavati. Iti the shloka presents. Then the next shloka, coming back to the Bhashyam. The last shloka of this chapter. Let us read the Sambandha Bhashyam. Yasmat karma yoga anushtat
Yasmat karma yoga
anushtat
ashuddhikshaya hetuka jnana sanchinna samshayah
Ashuddhikshaya hetuka jnana sanchinna samshayah
na nibadhyate karma bihi
na nibadyate
karmabhihi
karmabhihi
jnanagdidagdha karmatvat eva
jnanagdidagdha
karmatvadev
karmatvadev
yasmacha
yasmacha
jnana karma anushtana vishaye
ज्ञानकर्मानुष्ठानविषये
संशयवान् विनश्यति
संशयवान् विनश्यति
तस्मादज्ञानसम्भूतं हृत्स्थं ज्ञानासीनात्मनः चिद्वैनं संशयं योगम् आतिष्ठोत्तिष्ठ भारत इति श्रीमहाभारते शतसाहस्र्यां संहितायां
शतसहस्रयां
वैयासिक्यां भीष्मपर्वणि
भीष्मपर्वणि
श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु
श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु
ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे
ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे
श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे
श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे
कर्मयोगो नाम चतुर्थोऽध्यायः
कर्मयोगो नाम चतुर्थोऽध्यायः.
It is in this book, not in other books. And chapter is Jnana Karma Sannyasa. The third chapter, Karma Yoga. Therefore, you see some differences. At the end again he says here, okay, that is different. In other books, you will see, we have seen, it is Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Upanishatsu, Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre, Sri Krishna Arjuna Sambhade, Jnana Karma Sannyasa Yogo Nama Chaturthodhyaya. Anyway, so he says here, this is in Mahabharata, Shatasahasri, Yam Samhitayam, Vaiyasikyam, Bhishma Parvani, Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So it gives the location of the Gita. Yep. Among the hundreds and thousands of Samhita, then Vaiyasikyam by the Vyasa, Vyasa Mahina, Bhishma Parvani in the Bhishma Parva. This is located in Bhishma Parva, Bhagavad Gita. Some Bhagavad Gita also Upanishatsu, then other forms, other words are same as in the other book. Brahma Vidya, it is Yoga Shastra. We will see that later. Now let us see the Samandha Bhashya and then Shlokartha. Yasmat, Bhashyakara uses Yasmat. And Shloka begins with Tasmat. Tasmat Ajnana Sambhutam. Yasmat Tasmat. That's why Bhashyakara uses Yasmat. Because, since this being so, therefore, Tasmat. That is the connection. Yasmat Karma Yoga Anushtanat Ashuddhi Kshaya Etuka Jnana Sanchinna Samshayaha Na Nibadyate. Karmani Prayoga, you can see, Na Nibadyate. Karma Bhihi Na Nibadyate. By karma, the person is not bound. Na Nibadyate Karma Bhihi. Karma Bhihi Tritiya Ekavachan, Bhagavachanam. Karma do not bind. It's not bound by karma. Karma Bhihi by karma is not bound by karma. Karma Bhihi actions. It's not bound by actions. Who? Ashuddhi Kshaya Etuka Jnana Sanchinna Samshayaha. Jnana Sanchinna Samshayaha already we saw. Jnana Sanchinna Samshayaha referring to the person. That is the person who has removed Jnanena, by Jnanam, all the doubts. The one whose doubts are destroyed by clear knowledge. That person is Jnana Sanchina Samshaya, but that alone is not there. It's a long comfort. Ashuddhi Kshaya Etuka. Ashuddhi Kshaya Hetuka Jnana Sanchinna Samshayaha. Samshaya, doubts, are destroyed samyak well by jnana, by yoga, by jnanena, jnana yogena. That jnana yoga for jnanam, what is the hetu? What is the cause? Hetukam is ashuddhi kshaya hetukam. Ashuddhi, impurities, kshaya, removal. Removal of impurities is the cause, is a hetu for jnanam to arise. That jnanam destroys all the samshaya, doubts for whom that person is ashuddhi kshaya hetuka jnana samchinna samshayaha. So jnanam is as a cause. What is the cause? We know the krama. Karma yogena chitta shuddhihi. Jnana yogyata praptihi. Then jnana yogena jnanam mokshaha iti. That is a krama. So without karma, no jnanam is possible. Meaning, karma is parampara karanam. Jnanam is sakshat karanam mokshaya. So without karma, jnanam is not possible. Means karma yogena chitta shuddhihi. That is raga dvesha nivrittihi. Yogyata praptihi otherwise. Or we can say the person gets the status of being adhikari. Sadhana chatushtaya sampatti siddhi sampannaha bhavati. So that is only by karma yoga. Therefore, karma yoga anushtanat, there will be the removal of this raga dvesha. There is ashuddhi. So that becomes a hetu, the karanam, from which arises jnanam. And that jnanam removes the doubt. That is with karma yoga anushtana, the word is important. Karma yoga anushtana, because of the anushtana of the karma yoga, now this person as the person whose doubts are destroyed by knowledge, and the knowledge rises from what? The knowledge rises that is caused by the removal of the impurity. The removal of impurity by karma yoga. So that becomes a cause for the rise of jnanam, and that jnanam removes the samshaya. That person is referred to by the compound ashuddhi kshaya etuka jnana samchinna samshayaha na badhyate karma bihi, is not bound by actions. So therefore, saying karma yoga anushtana, here the emphasis on karma yoga, because the Supadesha is for Arjuna. So therefore, it's very clear jnanena eva mokshaha. Then why karma is emphasized? Because ashuddhi cannot be removed by, ragadvesha cannot be removed by other than karma yoga. So therefore, that's why we have sakshat sadhanam, parampara sadhanam. Sakshat sadhanam, moksha is jnanam alone. Jnanam alone can remove. There is no other means for gaining moksha. Because ajnanam is ignorance. What can remove ignorance? Ignorance can go away only in the wake of knowledge alone. Darkness can be removed only by light, not by karma. Then what is the significance of karma? That karma is required for ragadvesha nivritti, ashuddhi kshaya. So therefore, karma yoga is important. Therefore, it is emphasized here for Arjuna. Tasmat, therefore, karma yoga anushthanat ashuddhi kshaya hetuhu, and the jnanam which has the cause, hetuka, cause in jnanam which has a cause. The cause is the karma yoga which removes the ashuddhi, removes impurity. And by jnanam, the person has destroyed all the doubts. So for that person, karma begin nibadyate, not bound by karma. It's not bound by karma. Jnanagni dagda karmatvad. His karma as the status of being dagda, destroyed, burnt by jnanagni, by the fire of knowledge. Jnanameva agni, jnanagni. Jnanagnina dagda karmani. It's a compound we saw before. Jnanagni dagda karmanam. Jnanameva agni, jnanagni. Jnanagnina dagdani karmani yasya saha tam jnanagni dagda karmanam. So karma, jnanagni dagda karmatvad. Karmatvam. Jnanagni dagda karma tasya bhavaha jnanagni dharma karmatvam tasmat jnanagni dagda karmatvad. Because his karma are burnt by the fire of knowledge alone. It has a status of being burnt by knowledge alone. Karmatvat eva yasmat and also because jnana karma anushtana vishaye, with regard to karma, vishay saptami, jnana karma anushtana vishaye, with regard to the jnanam and karma, practice of jnanam and karma, samshayavan, the one who doubts, samshayavan, the person doubting Thomas, the person having doubts, vinashyati, he perishes, it is destroyed. Iti tasma, therefore, since this being so, therefore tasmat ajnana sambhutam hristam jnanasinatmanaha chitvainam samshayam yogam atishto tishta bharata iti. Tasmat, since this being so, that is, the person is not bound. Jnani, the Brahmavita, is not bound by karma. The karma is burnt by jnanam. Therefore, with regard to that, one should not have doubt. Therefore, tasmat, ajnana sambhutam ristam jnanasinatmanaha chitvainam samshayam yogam. So, chitva yenam jnanasina atmanaha samshayam. So you have to split jnanasina, then atmanaha, jnanasinatmanaha. Atmanaha samshayam chitva. Tasmat ajnana sambhutam hritam jnanasina atmanaha chitvainam samshayam. Atmanaha samshayam chitva. To take words like Atmanaha samshayam chitva. Atmanaha samshayam chitva means samshayam, doubt with regard to Atma. Chitva, having cut. Therefore, having cut the doubts with regard to the Atma, samshayam chitva. And samshayam is as a cause. How does it arise? Katam tasya jananam, janma bhavati. Ajnana sambhutam, it is born of ajnana. Ajnanena sambhutam samyak bhavati. Janma bhavati, tasya janma bhavati. It's born of ajnana. It's born of aviveka. Therefore, and that aviveka is kutra asti. That is the aviveka. The aviveka is a granthi with hridaya asti. Hristam. Hridi tishtati. Hristam. It is in the heart. Means buddhi. Heart means not the physical heart. Means antakarnam. According to Shastra, antakarnam is in the heart. The golaka is heart, not brain. Therefore, you will see the expression hridaya, hridaya gugha, shaya, megitam, parame. So many places we say antakarnam is referred to gugha, hridaya gugha iti. So hristam. Vidyate hridaya grantihi. The granthi is hridaya grantihi, not of the heart. What is that? Not of the heart. In the Mandaka Upanishad, we say ahankara it is. Ahankara. Ahankara binds the Atma and Anatma. That which cannot be bound is ahankara, mithya ahankara binds. So hristam, this ajnanam, which is born in the antakarnam, in the buddhi, hristam, hridi tishtati, or which is in the buddhi, Antakaranam, that cut. How do you cut? Jnanasina. Jnanameva asihi. Asihi is sword. Khadga. Jnanasina, by the sword of knowledge. Having cut Atmana Samshayam, the doubt with regard to Atma. Having cut Yogam Atishta. What yoga? Here it is, to Arjuna, it is addressed therefore Karma Yogam Atishta. Yogam Atishta. Because that is the Parampara Karanam. You get Adhikaritvam through Karma Yoga. Therefore, Yogam Atishta. Yogam Atishta, you resort to the sadhanam, that Karma Yoga. So therefore, it's very clear. The goal is moksha, for which what the means should be clear. So between the end and the means, the person who can see the connection, that person, he has got clear idea with regard to the Purushartha. That's called Purushartha Nishtaya. If the person has Purushartha Nishtaya, and in the language of Gita, it's Vyavasayatmika Buddhihi. The second chapter, Bhavan used the word Vyavasayatmika. He has clear knowledge with regard to the Purushartha. That is moksha, freedom from bondage. For that is the real Purushartha, moksha Purushartha. All other Purusharthas they are Parichinna Purushartha. It is only prayers. The sense of limitation doesn't go. The sense of limitation is notional, that goes away only by jnanam, and that is moksha. Therefore, that is clarity with regard to what I want and what it means. So the moksha Purushartha is only through knowledge. Therefore, for that, the means is Karma Yoga. By Karma Yoga, I prepare myself. Therefore, Yogam Atishta. Since moksha is the only Purushartha, that alone we seek in and through all the other Purusharthas, and moksha in the form of knowing myself, Atma Jnanam, and that is gained only by, even though by Shravanam, Mananam, Nidhyasanam, but they become effective only when the person is prepared. The person should be an adhikari. Therefore, for that, we need Karma Yoga, Upasana, etc. Therefore, Karma Yoga has important role to play. Karma Yoga has got important Upasana also. Karma Yoga in Chitta Shuddhi, Upasana Chitta Naishchalyam. So therefore, Yoga Matishta. Therefore, you take up the yoga. You resort to yoga. Karma Yoga. Therefore, Uttishta. Therefore, get up, Bharata, and fight this battle. Iti Shri Mahabharata in Bhishma Parva. This text in Bhagavad Gita is located, which is Yoga Shastra, Karma Shastra. It is Yoga Shastra, Karma Yoga Shastra, as well as Brahma Vidya. Also, it Brahma Vidya, Moksha Shastram, as well as Yoga Shastram. And that is in the form of dialogue between Krishna and Arjuna. And the chapter is named Karma Yoga. It is Jnana Karma Sannyasa Yoga. The third chapter is Karma Yoga. Iti Chaturtaha Adhyayaha. Then the Bhashyam, the small Bhashyam only, we can read it. Tasmat Papishtam
Papishtam
Ajnana Sambhutam
Ajnanasambhutam
Ajnanat Viveka Jatam
Ajnanat Vivekat Jatam
Hristam Hridi Buddhau Stitam
Kristam Hridi Stitam
Jnanasina
Jnanasina
Shoka Mohadi Doshaharam Samyak Darshanam Jnanam
Chokamohadi Doshaharam Samyak Darshanam
Jnanam
Tadeva Asihi Khadgaha
Tadeva Asihi Khadgaha
Tena Jnanasina
Jnanasina
Atmanaha Swasya
Atmanaha Swasya
Atma Vishayatvat Samshayasya Tasma, therefore, Papishtam. The word Papishtam we saw before, it was referring to the Samshaya. papishtam, among the impurities, this papishtam, the greatest impurity is this samshaya. So therefore, tasmat papishtam ajnana sambhutam ajnanat aviveka jatam. Ajnana sambhutam, it is born of ajnana. Ajnanat sambhutam sambhavati. Sambhutaha. Ajnanat sambhutaha, ajnana sambhutaha. So ajnanat sambhutam, this papishtam, this samshayam. Ajnanat eva, ajnanat aviveka jatam, it is born of jatam, jayate. So aviveka jaha, ajnana jaha it is, born of ajnanam, wrong thinking. Wrong thinking is papam. So papam is not directly born of ajnanam. It is born due to wrong thinking. It makes you think wrong. Wrong thinking or no thinking. So the doubt is born. The doubt is called papishtaha. The person suffers due to doubt. Therefore papishtaha. That is also a papam. Wrong thinking also is due to papam only. So therefore papishtam, and this ristam, hridi tishtati iti ristam. Hridi buddhau stitam. It is present in where? In the buddhi. Hridi is saptami, ekavachanam of hrid shabda. Hridaya also shabda is there. Hrid also is there. Hrid. So hrid is a shabda. Dakaranta shabda. Hridi in the hridaya, buddhau stitam, which is present in the buddhi. And that jnanasina by jnanam eva asihi. Jnanasihi. Tena jnanasina. Shokamoghadi doshaharam samyak darshanam. Like the sword is used to cut a thing into pieces, two pieces. Similarly, it is used to destroy. Similarly, samyak darshanam jnanam, the right understanding, the clear vision, that is the knowledge, that removes what? Shoka mohadi doshaharam. Shoka, moha, adi padat, all the other things also. Anartha, all the other anartha also can be included. Shoka mohadina, shoka mohadeyaha eva doshaha. So shoka mohadi doshan harati. So shoka mohadi doshanam haraha, shoka mohadi dosha haraha tam, shoka mohadi dosha haram. Here it is qualifying samyak darshanam. So haram is destroy. Harati iti haram, which removes, destroys the dosha, the defects. The defects like shoka, moha, etc. So shoka, moha, the dosha haram, samyak darshanam, that is jnanam. So jnanam destroys, jnanam removes, haram, harati. The dosha, the defects like shoka, moha, etc. Shoka, moha, dukkha, all these samsaric problems. Therefore, what removes jnanam? Therefore, jnanam tadeva asihi. Jnanam is the asihi. It is the asihi kadgaha, the sword, the knife. By that jnanasina, jnanam eva asihi jnanasina. By that atmanaha samshayaha. Atmanaha is swasya, one's own. With regard to atma, with regard to oneself or with regard to atma also we can take. But atmanaha is Bhashyakara says swasya. Reflexive pronoun here. Atmanaha swasya. Atma vishayatvat. Samshayasya. Atma vishayatvat samshayasya. Samshaya with regard to Atma vishayatva. Atma vishayaha yasya samshayasya. Saha Atma vishayaha Atma vishayasya bhavaha Atma vishayatvam tasmat Atma vishayatvat. That is how the word is derived. Atma vishayatvat samshayasya. Yeah, the doubt is with regard to the self, regarding the self. The samshaya is with regard to the atma. Therefore, one's own doubt with regard to the atma, that is removed by jnanam. Jnanasina, jnanam eva asihi, by jnanasina it is removed. Shoka moha diharam, samyak darshanam, jnanam swasya, one's own, samshayasya, the samshaya with regard to the Atma is destroyed. So here, the doubt with regard to the Atma, swasya atmanaha is oneself, or reflexive pronoun with regard to oneself. Atmanaha is, it is take Atmanaha is to be Atma, not swasya. Here it is regarding the Atma, the person, that the doubt is there, that is destroyed. Therefore, Atmanaha swasya is, Atma is swasya, therefore of oneself. That is regarding the Atma. The doubt belonging to, the two meanings can be taken. The doubt which belongs to the self or regarding the self. The doubt regarding the self of oneself. So that doubt, the status of behind, the status of being Atma Vishayatvat, the doubt with regard to this, the self, Samshayasya Atma Vishayatvat. Atma is the Vishaya for the Samshaya, for the doubt. Therefore, the status of being, regarding the self, Samshayasya, the doubt is destroyed by Jnanam. So, the knowledge in the form of the Samyak Darshanam removes doubts, defects like Shoka, Moha, etc. That is a sword. So, doubt with regard to the Atma. So, Atma here you can take Swasya, means it is Atma, it is oneself, that is that is oneself is the knowledge of oneself. Atmanaha. So, you can take Atmanaha to be the Atma alone. Doubt with regard to the Atma. Because Samshaya is with regard to Atma only. Atma Vishayatva Samshayasya. Samshaya with regard to the self, that is Atma. So Atmanaha is equal to this shloka. Atmanaha is there. Atmanaha Samshayam Chitva. So Samshayam with regard to the Atma is cut, destroyed. So Atmanaha is, Bhashyakara gives the word Swasya. So it is not reflexive pronoun. Atmanaha is Atma only with regard to the Atma. Because why he take? Because Samshaya is with regard to Atma. The doubt is with regard to the Atma. Atma Vishayatvat Samshayasya. Therefore, Samshayam Chitva. Atmanaha Samshayam Chitva. Therefore, removing the doubt with regard to the Atma. Samshaya is Samshaya must have a Vishaya. What is the Vishaya? Atma is a Vishaya. Atma Vishayaha Yasya Samshayasya Saha Atma Vishayaha. Bhagavati Samasa it is. So Samshaya must have a Vishaya, must have a subject matter. Samshaya also must have a Vishaya, subject matter. What is the Vishaya? Atma. So Atma is the Vishaya of the doubt of the Samshaya. So Atma Vishayatvat. Atma Vishayasya Bhavaha Atma Vishayatvam. Tasmat Atma Vishayatvat. Atma Vishayatvat Samshayasya. So Samshaya, the doubt with regard to the Atma. Why Atmanaha Samshayam? Bhagavan says, Bhashyakara explains, because this Atma is the Vishaya of the Samshaya. Therefore, since it has the status of being the Vishaya for doubt, therefore Atma Vishayatvat Samshayasya, for the Samshaya, for the doubt. Therefore, that is removed by Jnanasi, by the sword of knowledge. That is the meaning. Okay, I think we'll stop here. The rest we will see in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Dhanyavadaha.
ధన్యవాదాలు శరణ్జీ.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాదాలు శరణ్జీ.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాదాలు.